Hello everyone. In this video, we will examine the Honor X9B 5G in depth. Honor kicked off the new year with a bang, unveiling the second-generation Honor X9B 5G as the most durable phone of the 2024 series. Available for purchase today, the Honor X9B packs a punch with its robust design and impressive features. In this video review, we aim to delve deeper into the Honor X9B and determine whether this smartphone deserves your consideration. Design and build quality. Touted as rugged all around, the Honor X9 series is no stranger to durability tests circulating around the tech world, and we can confirm that it's mostly true. Compared to its predecessor, the Honor X9A, the X9B improves upon its design by incorporating enhanced durability protection and certifications. It's now IP53, rated with limited dust ingress and splash resistance, and the display now receives SGS 5-star overall drop resistance certification for its UltraTab Drop anti-drop screen. Our unit comes in the Dawn Orange colorway, which is the only variant with a vegan leather back panel. Also available in Midnight Black, Emerald Green, and Titanium Silver to cater to various styles. The smartphone is on the taller side for its size, but its slim form factor and curved edges make it very easy to securely grip. Overall, it boasts a nice build and design. It refines the slim and elegant form factor from its predecessor, adding just enough subtle detail to set it apart from the X9A and the rest of the mid-range competition. Display and multimedia. The standout feature of the Honor X9B must be its all-view ultra-tough display. Offering excellent viewing angles whether indoors or outdoors, deep blacks with excellent contrast, and vibrant colors. Color reproduction looks impeccable with 100% DCI-P3 coverage. Playing games, streaming movies, and watching videos on the device is a visual treat for the eyes. Its 120 Hz refresh rate paired with its generally smooth software experience makes UI animations look fluid. For audio playback, its single downward-firing speaker leaves more to be desired, and with the presence of a 3.5mm audio jack, we can assume this was done to keep costs down. The single speaker sounds decent enough, but it's not blowing anyone's socks off, that's for sure. We also get an optical in-display fingerprint scanner beneath that ultra-tough display, and it's very accurate as long as you make sure to cover the entire scanning area. It also features face unlock of the less secure variety, and it works well even in less than ideal lighting conditions. It even features facial recognition with users wearing a facial mask. Overall, I still prefer just using the fingerprint scanner. Camera. When it comes to optics, the Honor X9B 5G's triple camera system is also quite notable when evaluating the overall package. Leading the lineup is a 108MP primary camera sensor with an aperture of f1.8 and features PDAF, phase detection autofocus, accompanied by a 5MP f2.2 ultra-wide and a 2MP macro sensor. Nestled within the punch-hole display is its 16MP selfie shooter with an aperture of f2.5. Overall, image quality captured with this system may not be topping the DxOMark camera sensor rankings anytime soon, but they're far from unusable. Images come out with good clarity in naturally well-lit conditions. Additionally, its processing renders highly vibrant and contrasty shots, with what appears to be a fair bit of post-processing sharpening. Image quality tends to deteriorate in less than ideal lighting conditions, but that's where the flash comes in handy. As for video, the primary camera system supports shooting at up to 4K, 30 frames per second. Additionally, the front-facing sensor can record 1080p at 30 FPS as well. Operating system, applications, and UI. In terms of software, the Honor X9B 5G runs on macOS 7.2 based off Android 13 out of the box. macOS feels like a more globally friendly Harmony OS with easy access to Google Play services and RCS support. A slightly more dynamic interface could be a nice touch in our opinion. However, in hindsight, animations appear well polished and coordinated with the high refresh rate display. Overall, it's a solid operating system with ease of use and productivity features, perfect for everyday use. Performance and benchmarks. Compared to its predecessor, the Honor X9A, the new model enhances gaming and entertainment capabilities. Officially launched in the Philippines only in a 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage configuration, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset with Adreno 710 GPU offers the Honor X9B 5G, commendable overall performance and efficient multitasking. Nearly 18 months since its launch, this chipset is ideal for a smooth mobile gaming experience at 60 frames per second, optimized for responsiveness. Connectivity and battery. Powering the Honor X9B 5G is a massive 5,800 mAh battery. The X9B's package also includes a 35W supercharge adapter, which provides fast charging times when you need to charge your phone while on the go. However, we don't think you'll need to do this because the battery performance of the X9B is outstanding. When we tested it in our usual battery tests, the Honor X9B stood out with 14 hours and 8 minutes in our PC MarkWork 3.0 battery test and 23 hours and 47 minutes in our standard video looping test. Testing was conducted with offline mode on, audio muted, and brightness locked to 50% to simulate mixed use cases. These results translate to excellent battery life in real-world usage scenarios, allowing for casual weekends, full-day video watching with light gaming sessions interspersed throughout. Moderate usage of the phone could easily extend its battery life to nearly 24.5 hours without charging, which truly surprised me during my review of the Honor X9B 5G. In addition to this impressive battery performance, it also supports reverse wired charging to assist your friends or family who need fast charging. Just make sure you have a USB Type-C to C cable with you. Everything seemed solid with the X9B when it came to making and receiving calls, no complaints here. We get network coverage from GSM to 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and GPS. Unlike some American smartphone manufacturers, unfortunately, we don't get FM radio on the Honor X9B 5G. So if you rely heavily on that feature on your phone, this might not be the right device for you to upgrade to. Conclusion. To wrap up this review, let's discuss the dent the Honor X9B 5G will make in your wallet. Officially priced at PHP 16,999 for the 8GB PO2 256GB model, this positions the Honor X9B as a solid mid-range offering that delivers excellent durability, battery life, and a truly stunning display for watching videos and playing games. As the successor to the Honor X9A10, we expect some significant improvements from the Honor X9 compared to last year. And rightfully so. Now you get a better chipset, more RAM, a larger battery, and an improved camera setup. All of this comes at the same retail price as its predecessor, and that exceptional display we've all come to appreciate. If these factors align with your priorities within a budget of under $17,000, the Honor X9B 5G is definitely worth considering. So, we have come to the end of another video, friends. The sentence: if you liked the video, do not forget to like it and subscribe to the channel to be informed about such videos. Have a good day, everyone.